Hey guys, welcome back to Lanap. For today's video, we are going to show you how to use Temu coupon bundle. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So in this case, you might be wondering, how do you use Temu coupon bundles here? Well, using Temu coupon bundles is fairly easy. So the first thing we want to do here is you want to open up Temu, and in here you want to go to the U tab at the very bottom of your screen, and from here you want to go to the coupons and offers section. Now, what we need to do here is we need to go ahead and choose our coupon bundle. Now, in my case, I actually have a special offer here, which in this case is a coupon bundle. Now, usually you just need to click on the get button and then it will actually redirect you to a special page, which in this case, you can go ahead and start proceeding on adding items into your cart. In this case, let's go and start adding items here. For example, I want to add this one. Click on add to cart. It should actually start building our gauge here, which in this case, you want to go ahead and start adding whatever items that you want to buy. So for example, maybe I want to get this one as well and want to go and choose the variants. Let's go and choose this one, click on add to cart. Now, once you fill out the bar at the very bottom right here, you need to go ahead and click on get your the coupon bundle here. You need to choose your address here, click on continue. And from here, it would actually redirect you to the in this case, the checkout page. But in some cases, you need to actually change to a different address. So in this case, you need to go ahead and change your update address here to match your coupon bundle here. Now, in this case, it should direct you to another page here. In this case, you just need to proceed with the checkout by providing your address, your payment method here. And as you can see, we have the save here, whatever we just saved on our purchase. And also the shipping is free here, so you just need to click on get your $240 or your coupon bundle here. But yeah, so basically you just need to follow on-screen steps here, start adding items, and hopefully you get the coupon bundle. In this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Line App. Thank you for watching.